Good morning, happy Monday. We're here at the Water District Pump here in our beautiful Yucaipa, California. We got two existing layers. We got that cap and the gravel built up roof. We're gonna replace the skylight domes. Also the fascia board, a 2x8. Getting all the debris, all the trash into our dump truck. As you can see, the old fascia board. Got our portable potty, as usual. The second layer is hard to come out, so we're just gotta be patient and just continue. We're gonna install our 1/4-inch secure board, fire retardant sheet, and our 60 mil TPO cool roof system. We'll keep you guys updated. Steep, flat roofing, we got you covered. Thank you very much.